So homework 24 starts with graphing a circle in standard form. Standard form of the circle says that I'm going to have that darn pen is on the wrong tool. Let me switch to the right pen. We'll see if it writes. So standard form of a circle says we're going to do x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals my radius squared. So that the center of my circle is going to be at h and k. So it ends up being the opposite of those two numbers there. So if I have the equation that I have x minus 4 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 4, the center is going to be at, and I use the opposite of this number, so the opposite of negative 4 would be positive 4, and then the opposite of this number, opposite of positive 3, negative 3. So again, if you're not sure where that is, use the plot point. Or if you know where it is, you're going to go over 4 and up 3, and that's where the middle of your circle is going to be. Okay? Your radius, you're going to use this n number. For the radius, whoops, I can spell today, evidently. Because it's this number squared, you're actually going to do the square root of that number. If I do the square root of 4, my radius is 2. So on Alex, you're going to have a circle tool, and you're going to click on the center, and then you're going to move 2 spaces over, 2 places to the right. What's going to happen is the circle is going to move 2 places all the way around, so that your circle ends up being 2 places around that dot. So click circle tool, click the center point, move 2 places to the right, and click to make the circle. When you get there. So you'll first of all mark where that center is. You can use the plot point tool if you want to. Then you're going to take your circle tool, click in the middle, move over 2 and click, and that'll make the circle around that thing. So, number 2. First thing I'm going to do is pick out where my center is. Where is the center of my circle?
It's going to be positive 3.
Positive 3 and
plus 4.
positive 4. So it's going to be at 3, 4. So here we're going to go over 3, up 4, and that's where our dot for the middle of our circle is going to go.
Over 3.
I don't know why I want to keep leaving the A out of the word radius today. The radius. How are we going to find the radius?
Square root of 9.
And the square root of 9 is
3.
3. That means I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 places to the right. The computer's actually going to open it up 3 places in every direction. I'm going to go count 3 in every direction so I can draw my circle. But if you just move it over 3 places to the right, it'll expand that circle around that middle, and then you just click and it'll make the circle for you.
So this seems easy. I'm going to jump on this tonight.
Yeah, this one's easy. They get harder.
Oh, do they?
So, yes, you could jump on do the circle, first circle one. It's pretty easy. So, the center of this circle is going to be at
Negative 5.
negative 5
And negative 3.
and negative 3. So I'm going to go back 5, down 3, that's where my dot's gonna go, or just use the plot point tool and let the computer plot it. My radius
Is 16, the square root of 16?
is the square root of 16, which is 4.
Can you break that down some more? No?
Nope.
Nope.
Just gonna be 4, so I'm just gonna go 4 places over. 1, 2, 3, 4. The computer's actually gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4 in every direction for you. So I can draw straight. Or somewhat straight. Still can't draw straight, but it looks a little more like a circle than if I just tried to draw one. So that's the first way where they give it to you in standard form, and it's pretty easy to do. Then we start getting a little bit harder.